56.5. So these are the same OD, but these don't have the rubber seal on the OD. Is the R button on? I see the
Yes,
R
sir.
light on this time. Evidently you lost 5 minutes of video, but it's very important. This one's 258 OD, so this is the bigger one. This one has the rubber OD, but it means it just has a sliver of rubber on it. But it's a smaller OD than this one. See, when you have no nails and no fingerprint, it's hard to open bags up. This one says 259. These are the big ones. These have very little edge to start with. Okay, we can try putting a big one in there. We have 3 of them to choose from. We have 3 of those.
Okay.
Or we can try the James with a rubber OD on it.
Okay.
It basically has nothing really called rubber. This is just a stamped surface where these other ones are ground. See how it's ground? We go to small OD cycle, that's a ground OD. Or we can go to this one over here, that's a ground OD. It's the same damn one as this one, but ground OD. Which one do you want to try?
I don't know. What's your theory?
You get one shot and it's junk. That's the
Okay.
theory. Then you try another one, you get another shot and it's junk.
All right.
Because if it doesn't go in the hole, it screws it all up.
Okay.
So,
What do these cost a piece?
well, it might be a
So
volume deal.
Just so we're keeping track.
It might be a volume deal.
Okay. Turns out it depends on how it turns out, huh?
They used to be like $5 or $6 a piece, but since they doubled everything these days, we don't
Right.
know what it is anymore. So you want to try the fancy James one with a so-called rubber OD on it and see what happens? Or do you want to go with the other ones here? None of these are double lip seal, they're all single. So. We'll go with the Psycho gasket. Maybe no Psycho stuff's good. It's got Psycho in the name. How could it possibly
Yeah, could it not be?
Yeah. So it's matter you want a small one or a big one. If we do a small one, I'll put the James. I got 1. If you go with the big OD, we got 3 of them before we're out.
I defer to you, man. I
Now, if
honestly
you take
have
the
no
nut off,
idea.
it'll take the load off a little bit, but you appear to have a pretty good chamfer on that. So. What do you want to do?
Let's get it on. Choose one. Smack it.
Which one you want?
Let's go. I don't care.
You don't care? I have a smacking tool. Here's the fit. Okay. Yeah. No more sleeping on the job. Gotta get up. Okay, which one? Make a decision. Get one of the 2. If you mix them up, they're still gonna go in the same way. One's gonna go in, one might go in. Maybe the one might go in.
Let's get lucky.
Hit it straight, hit it flat. Right in.
Did we choose the right one?
It's in. Try to make sure it's flat. For some reason that side's going below the surface, this one here is not. It's weird. Why I did that? You're having fun over there.
Yeah, sure are.
What's in there? Not square, but it's in there. It might be square, it just doesn't look square. It's probably square, I just can't get my finger in there to feel it. I think it's square. My fingers are so beat up.
Made this.
See, this has a slart radius on it.
Yeah.
Shows your gear, so it's below the surface. So it's actually below the surface where it's supposed to be.
Right.
But it's not wedged way the hell in there like yours. So we'll have to get in there and see if you like it or not. Let me get down here. Oh yeah, it's below the surface. Where's the light off again? I can see better now. Yeah, it's definitely below the surface on that side. Not so much on that side. Definitely below the surface there. Okay, hit more on the bottom. Okay, there you go. Oh yeah. Knocks it in a little bit lower below the surface. Alright, see the camera again. See, now it's below the surface everywhere. Looks good. It's even. This tool needs a bit larger flange on it to make it more even. Fear of workmanship. I don't know who made some crappy tool like that. It doesn't work very well. Probably dead. Yeah, I make a little bit bigger flange. I have a recess. So I know exactly how deep it goes. It's got a hard stop.
Okay, so which one just went in there?
Ooh,
you all right?
Bitch.
Bite you?
Oh yeah, that's gonna have some blood in there somewhere. Yeah, that has an edge that just bit the piss out of me.
Huh.
Where's it at? Right there. See that right there? Look at that. Probably someone's beating out with a hammer just now. Okay, do we get blood? I charge extra if I bleed. Damn,
There's a pick right there.
damn thick ass skin, it doesn't bleed. Damn, we got screwed again. I got the pain and no blood. No payoff. Damn it. Oh well. All right, that's in there. I don't know if it's going to leak or not. If you want an extra one, we got more.
Yeah, I was gonna say whatever just went in there.
You put the big one in there, so we got one more of these. I got two more, so.
Yeah, I'll buy one of them.
Make
I'll
a
buy
pack.
two of them, I guess, at this place.
You buy as many as you want. You only got 3 to choose from. I only have 3. So if you want 1, 2, or 3, that is up to you. Okay, we're done with this bike.
All right.
We still need a rear wheel for it.
Yeah, we definitely need a 82, 83 FXRT rear wheel. Somebody was hard on it.
Somebody rode their bike and broke it.
Broke it.
Yeah, people.
Now she's lonely sitting over here.
Yep. All right, that's it.
All right.
Put this on the table.